think this is like a 1977. The description should say, coming off the VIN number, C65 366 is the motor, I think. I just want to show you that it does run. They use it around the shop here. It's kind of a shag truck, so it was what they used to move the trailers around. Do a little video and walk around here to go to manufacturing, selling everything out here, selling all the shop equipment, and selling this truck right along with it. So just want to show you it runs and drives, and was an operation right here just around the shop, using mostly as a shag truck. So thanks for looking. Good luck bidding. Go to benmeyerauctions.com. Thank you.